So another section that you can add in is the text section. So to add in the text section, let me just press the plus icon right over here. And then on the left side, you can see right over here that there is text. So once I click on it, you can see that this is a pretty simple section, which is kind of like the quotation section. So I can choose the design I want right over here, and the text section will be added in. So I can go over here, change the title right over here. So I'm going to say something like description right over here, just like this. And I can make it anything I want, so I can work around with the subtitles right over here, as you can see, and I can say something like welcome, and I can work around with the other contents right over here. I can also add in media over here, like I can add in a picture just like that, or I can work with a button as well. To change the section design, you just click on the section design, or you go over here and then work around with the section design from right over here as well. So let me just go on to section design, and over here you can see that there's different designs that you can choose from. So you can simply go over here and choose the one you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this, and there you go, that is the text section. So I can edit the image as per the liking and then work around with that as well. So that is how you can work around with the text section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.